BMW X5 e70 is not starting. Took out computer, it was underwater. Here was some green, here was some green, and one is damaged way. This one I think is rusted so much and is have no continuity. Try to fix that and gonna see test driving car. This one is damaged. I'm gonna solder some small cable. Finish. Solder it. Now it is continuity. Maybe a little clean flux. And put in car and test. Installed this one, control unit, and here you see nice lake, green one. Missing just some fishes. I don't know if this water comes from where, I'm not sure, but now gonna test drive. Is it helped or not? Key in place and crossing fingers. Oh voila! Nice! Car is starting. Can you imagine this small wire and finish? Car is not starting. BMW X5 e70. So many parts. This car is standing in a parking place and must pay all the time for this one. But now finished. So now I'm gonna drive to workshop and put everything, drain this water, make a hole in that box, and should be okay. That is how it is. See you next time.